Good morning, students. Students, this is the first video after the online class which we had taken, and if you remember, I had completed up to question number 4 in online classes, okay? And today I will be showing you the solution from question number 5. I want to say to those students who had not attended online classes, please attend the online classes and follow the rules and regulation of the school. As it has been said, when you are attending online classes, you should be in any proper shirt. That is not a school dress, but it should be proper shirt, not a vest or t-shirt, okay? In same way, you should be sitting on chair, not on bed, or by sleeping you will be watching. And while you will be sitting, you will be with you there should be books and copies related to the subject online class. Suppose if I am taking maths online class, then there should be maths books and copies so that you can copy the notes and given information. And even you should collect the doubt and you should sit with the doubts. And another thing, when you just log in with your Zoom application, you should just name yourself. At first you should be writing your name, then after class just name hyphen, and then you will give class, as it might have been sent in your message also by the school. So name hyphen class will be there, and then after again hyphen section, and then after there should be roll number. This should be there in your name, okay? These things you should follow, okay? You should mute yourself when you have to ask something. At that time only you can unmute or you can raise your hand, okay? Now if you will see over here, question number 5 is subtract 2,22,099 from 5 lakh. So what you will be doing, you will be subtracting 22,099 from 5 lakh. So at first, at the top you will be writing 5 lakh, and below you will be writing 2,22,099. As you can see over here, I have written the first page of my, yes, it is 5 lakh. If you will count by counting also, you can write like you can keep the dot once over here, once, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So up to lakh you will be keeping dot, and in each dot you will be writing a number. Suppose 5 lakh it is said, that means in lakh place there will be 5, and in other place nothing is there, so in other place it will become 0. In same way, if you will see below, it has been said 2,22,099. So in same way you will count ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, and you will be keeping the point just below that. And then after you will be writing the numbers like 2,22,000. It has been said in, so in lakh place 2, and then after in 10,000 place 2, so 20,000 it will become, and in 1,000 2, so it will become 2,000. So 22,000 it becomes. There is no 100, so 0 will be there, and 99 is there, so in place of tens there will be 9, and in place of ones there will be 9. So now to subtract, as you had seen earlier also during the online classes also, I had written some subtraction on the board, MS Paint, which worked as a board, and then I had showed you how to subtract. In same way I am subtracting over here. As you can see, there is only 5 and remaining all places are 0, and from 0 9 will not be cancelled. So what will happen, this 5 will give 1 to this 0, this will become 10, and this 5 will become 4. Again this 10 will be giving 1 to next 0, then this will become 9, and this will become 10. When 1 will come, then this will become 10, and previous will become 9 because it has given 1. Again this 0 will be giving 1 to, when taking carry it became 10 now, so this 10 will be giving 1 to this third 0. So what will happen, this third 0 will become 10, and previous number will become 9. Again this third 0 will be giving 1 carry to fourth 0, then this will become what, 10, and previous one will become 9. And this fourth 0 will be giving 1 to last 0, then so last 0 will become 10, and this will become 9. So what happened, this became 4, and other all became 9, and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 0 is 9, and 9 minus 2 is 7, and 9 minus 2 is 7, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Last time I had explained you how to use finger method also. of subtraction. So you all should come in online classes, okay? So that you can get different tips and tricks how to do the work smartly, how to maintain your copy, how to write the notes, how to remember, how to read or how to practice, and how to revise. These all things will be being explained during online classes. So you should attend online classes. So now if you will see, students, it is 1000. In question number 6, it has been said to subtract 1000 minus 721. If you will see, it is given directly subtract, and then after the question is written in horizontal way. Just see 6 number subtract: A 1000 minus 721, B 1000 minus 492, C 10,000 minus 1465. So if you will see, I had made all these questions over here. So 6 number 1000 minus 729. So what we have done, from this one, again same way, this one has been carried to next zeros, and so this becomes 10, and this one changes into 0 because one has been gone, so nothing left, 0. And again this 0 becomes 10, so when this 0 gives 1 to next 0, then it becomes 10, and earlier one becomes 9. Again this next 0 gives carry 1 to the last 0, so last 0 becomes 10, and the earlier one becomes 9. So 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 9 minus 7 is 2. In this way you will be subtracting. If you will see question number B, it is what? 1000 minus 492. Okay, so what you will be doing, you will be taking carry on. What happens, this one carried on, then here it became, this 0 changes to 10, okay, and this becomes 0 again because 1 was already there. Again from this first 0 it goes carry 1 to second 0, then this second 0 becomes 10, and earlier 1 becomes 9. In same way from second 0 it goes to the last 0, so last 0 becomes 10, and earlier 1 becomes 9. So 10 minus 2 is 8, and 9 minus 9 is 0, and 9 minus 4 is 5. This is the way how you will be making this subtraction. Now if you will see question number 6C, it is same, 10,000 was there, so same thing happened here also. This one has been given 1 carry to this 0, then it became 10, and earlier 1 becomes 0, and again the first 0 given 1 carry to the next 0, so the previous one becomes 9, and the next next 0 becomes 10. Again this next 0 had given carry to third 0, so third 0 becomes 10, and previous one becomes 9, and this third 0 given carry 1 to last 0, that becomes 10, and this which it has given carry becomes 9. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 9 minus 1 is 8. So this is all. This is all about what? Subtraction. So in exercise 2F, the subtraction has been given in easy recognizable way. If you will see earlier in 2G, there it is in word problem. I will be explaining about that also. I had solved that also, you might have seen. Before that, there is one teacher support. What is written in that teacher support? Let us read. After sufficient practice of addition and subtraction with column headings like 10,000, 1000, etc., let the students do without writing the column heading if they are comfortable. You have to make without writing this column heading also. You will practice like this. Here it has been written lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Without this also you will try to make it, okay? If you can see in earlier examples also, I had done without writing this ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and lakh. Now here it is, what? A site name abctourist.com had 6,53,591 visitors this month, and 6,05,309 visitors last month. How many more visitors are there in this month than in last month? Now just see, this month it is 6,53,591, and in earlier month it is 6,05,300. Okay, So how many more when it is said? Of course, when it is said how many more or how many less, in that case you have to subtract itself. So how many more visitors are there in the month than the last month it has been said. So at first it has been written number of visitors this month is equal to 6,53,591. Number of visitors last month is equal to 6,05,000. Okay, here it has been written something mistake. You can see 309, it is 309 only. You will correct that. 309 here also written. Here by mistake 3909 it has been written. So you will write 309 only. So number of visitors last month is equal to 6,05,309. Okay. Required number of visitors. That means you have to find that how many more visitors required. So from bigger we will be subtracting a smaller last month. So after subtracting, we got 48,282. Just see, when you have to subtract, even you can use this column method and write ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh also, or without writing also you can simply write 653,591. You can start from writing ones also. But in subtraction always try to write from starting from ones only, so that it will be no difference over there. So it was 6,05,309. You can see 9,035,06. So now what happened from here? From 9 1 it has been taken carried, so it becomes 1 1 11. So 11 minus 9 is 2. Here remains 8. So 8 minus 0 is 8. If you will see, here it is 100. Okay, 5 minus 3 is 2, and in same way 13. 3 was there, so taken carry 1 from 5. So it changes into 4 and it becomes 13. So 13 minus 5 is 8. If you will see here 4 minus 0 is 4, and 6 and 6 it has been cancelled. So this is how you will be subtracting, and after subtracting you can see it has been written in what form? It has been written in horizontal form, but in rough it has been done in vertical form, and after subtraction what it came, it has been written over here, that is 48,202. Thus 48,202 more visitors came this month than the last month. You see, these students last statement also, actually word problem should be written in a statement itself. Statement process is required. If you will write directly answer, it will not be considerable that, and it will not say that yes 100% the students are only made. So you try to write it with the question, and by making, which shows okay the students had read question also and written answer also, that means he might be knowing something. So now, as I had said, there is a chapter of word problem. So in exercise 2G, one number question is Daljit and Sarah on trucks. Daljit's truck has been driven 70,595 kilometers in a year, and Sarah's truck has been driven 85,105 kilometers in the same year. Okay, both different same years, distance covering is given, and it has been asked whose truck has been driven more and by how much. So in that case, more we can find easily. You can see over here 10th place, 10,000 place there is 8, and here in 10,000 place there is 7 only. So which one is more? Of course Sarah's truck had been driven more. Okay, by how much? Then from 85,105 we will be subtracting 70,905. So what will happen? From 81,105 you will subtract. You can see as over here I have made. You can see question number 1. Here Sarah's truck has been driven more by 85,105 minus 70,595. When we are subtracting, we getting 14 21,500. And how to get that? Let's see how it has been subtracted. It's the bigger one written at the top, smaller one written at the bottom. So 5 minus 5 it becomes 0, and 1 given carry to this, then it becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. So here remains 0, again it has been taken carry 1, so it becomes a 10, and 10 minus 5 is 5. So 4 minus 0 is 0, and 7 minus 1 is 8. Sorry, 8 minus 7 is 1. So in this way it can be arranged and done. So now if you will see question number 2, what is the question number 2? A family earned rupees 21,590 in a month. How much did it spend if it saved rupees 4,950 at the end of the month? Now what happened here? It has been said about a family. A family earned 21,590 in a month. This much the family is earning in 1 month. How much did it spend if it is saved 4,950 at the end of the month? Let's see, students, whenever we are earning in real life also the same formula exists, and in book also you can see same types of question is there. So saving is always what? Earning minus expenditure. What we earn from there, what it has been expended, the left money work as saving. So here it has been said a family earned rupees 21,590 a month. How much did it spend if it saved rupees 4,950 at the end of month? So at the end of month, how much rupees did he save? So what we will be doing? We will be subtracting. We will be subtracting 41,950 minus 4,950. So it will become about 37,000. So if you will see, here I had made question number 2. Here I had written earning saving is equal to earning minus expenditure. So from 21,519 the 4,950 came, and you can see as how I had subtracted 0 minus 0 is 0, 9 minus 5 is 4, and then after 1 taken carry, so 15 minus 9 is 6, and then after it is 10 minus 4 is 6, so 16,640 it becomes. Okay, this is the way how you will be doing. Okay, so now we will move towards exercise 3, sorry, question number 3. What is there in question number 3? You can see over here. As you can see, today I had taken 3 exercise. I hope I will be completing it on the time. So if you will see 3 number, it has been said in a digital mart, a red color mobile phone was rupees 5,950, costlier than the black color iPhone. How much does the black color iPhone cost if the red color phone costs rupees 18,225? Now red color we are knowing, so from red color when we will be subtracting Maggie, sorry, what's saying from red color, no, black color it has been said. So from black color, what it has been said, that remaining this color pens is equal to how much it is over there, so total, and as this what saying here it has been said the digital marks red color is this much and black color is this much. So what you will do, how much does the black color phone cost in if the red color cost this much? So from red color when we will be subtracting what, black color, then there will be student, this all is about subtraction. All these questions are meant for subtraction. If you will see 3 number, 4 number, it is about the price of mobile phone, and 4 number it is subtraction. Direct it has been said subtraction, that is in one this 9952 is how much less than 1,03,570. So these all are subtraction. If you will see this 3 and 4 solution, both I had sent you, okay, and the solution is over here. You can see question number 3 and 4. Here I had written the cost of black color mobile phone is equal to cost of red phone minus rupees 5,950. Why I am doing minus 5,950? Because it has been said that red phone is more costlier, that means more expensive. Its price is this much more than the which phone? Black color mobile. So from red color mobile phone we had subtracted 5,950, and it becomes rupees 18,225 minus rupees 5,950. When we subtract the C, here I had done in same way the subtraction is being done. What happened at first? 5 minus 0 is 5, 2 minus 5 it is smaller, so this 5 is bigger than the 2, so it will not be subtracted. So taking carry from 100th place, it will become 12. 12 minus 5 is 7, and here remains how much? From 2 1 has been gone carried, so it becomes 1. So from 1 also 9 will not go, so again from 8 1 is taking carry, so it becomes 11, and 11 minus 9 is 2. So 7 minus 5 it becomes 2, so it becomes 12,275. So it has been written the cost of black color mobile phone is equal to 12,275. This is the way how we will be solving the word problem. Here you can see in a statement I have written the cost of black color mobile phone. So in every question a statement is required. If you will see question number 4 has been also solved over here, that is it is 1,03,570. So from 0 2 will not be subtracted, so from 7 1 is being carried to 0, that is 1, it becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8, and here it is 6, so 6 minus 5 is 1. If you will see over here, 1 given carried to this 5, okay, so 5 and 1 is taken carry, so 15 minus 9 is 6, okay, and here what? 12 minus 9 is 3. Here it was 2, so again taken carried from where? This 0, and 0 taken carried from 1, so this becomes 10 and this becomes 0, so 10 again given carry to this 2, so it becomes 12. So 12 minus 9 is 3, and here it is how much? 9. So 93,618. So in language I had written, in at last you have to write in a statement, so in a statement it has been written what? So 9,952 is 93,618 less than 1,03,570. If you will see question number 5 and 6, here I had you can read the question number 5 and 6. Okay, so 5 is what? One player under 19 domestic cricket played 6 matches in season and earned rupees 1,35,550, and he donated rupees 14,375 for social cause. For a social cause, how much money is left with him after donation? Then after donation, how much money left? What he will do? From earning, he has given donation. So from earning, we have to subtract the donation. So here in question number 5, you can see I had done the same thing. Here left money is equal to earning minus donation. Earning was how much? Rupees 1,35,500, and from there we are subtracting rupees 14,375. So what happens? Again 1 given to 0 carried over here, because it is 0, 0 minus 5 it will not be, so it becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, and here remains 4. So from 4, 7 will not be removed, subtracted. So again taking carry from 5. So this 4 becomes 14. As you can see over here, it has been written 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now 1 carry taken, then it here left how much? 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1. And 5 minus 4 is 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2. And 1 is 1. So what happens? 1,21,175 rupees is the money which is left with the player. So you can see here it is a 6 number, 7 number questions are here. Okay, we will be reading questions, no solution is there. So we will be reading over here 6 number question. As you can see, recently a prominent personality of Bollywood lost 89,410 followers on Twitter by the end of the year. If he had 2 lakh followers in the beginning of the year, then how many followers does he have at the end of the year? Then what we will be doing? We will be subtracting the number. Which number? This 89,410, because this much follower has been lost. From how much? 2 lakh, because earlier he has 2 lakh followers. So 2 lakh minus 89,410 we will be doing. So same thing here, it has been done. You can see in question number 6. There is follower left at the end of the year is beginning follower minus left follower. Beginning follower, it was 2 lakh and 89,410. It was given in word, has left. So you can see here I had subtracted. Here also what happens, these all are 0. So this 2 gives 1 carry to first 0 and it becomes 10. And this again 10 gives 1 carry to the next 0. Then it becomes 10 and earlier becomes 9. In same way what happens, this next 0 gives 1 carry to the third 0. So it becomes 10 and earlier it becomes 9. And again this third 0 gives carry to fourth 0, 1. So this becomes 10 and earlier becomes 9. And it is as it is last one, both up and down it is 0. So we had not transferred. 0 minus 0 is 0 only. Now 10 minus 1 is 9. And 9 minus 4 is 5. And 9 minus 9 is 0. And 9 minus 8 is 1. So it becomes 1,10,590. So I had written beginning followers minus left follower, that is 2 lakh minus 89,410. It becomes 1,10,590. If we will see question number 7, here the smallest 6-digit number, there it has been said to subtract the smallest 4-digit number from the smallest 6-digit number. So we know a smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. So from 1 lakh you have to subtract 1,000. So from 0 goes 0, it is 0 only. 0 goes 0, 0, 0 goes 0, 0. And here from 0, 1 will not be gone. So what we will do, this 1 will be transferred to the next 0, it will become 10. So 10 minus 10 it will become, and 10 will give carry 1 to another. So it will next one will become 10, and 10 minus 1 is 9. And here it is been left 9 because 1 it has been given carry. So 9 minus nothing is there. So 0, that is 9 only, and 1 has been given carried. So nothing is here. So here difference at last I written here difference of it is equal to 99,000. So in this way also you can do, or you can do in horizontal method like this at the top. So here I have written smallest 6-digit number is equal to 1 lakh, and the smallest 4-digit number is equal to 1,000, and hence difference of it I had subtracted and written. In this way you will be doing. Okay, there are few more questions, 8 and 9. If you will read the question you can easily understand it. Then after I had written over here the properties, you will read the properties and you will understand it. Again in next video I will try to explain you, or in next online classes I will be with this PDF and I will try to explain you. These are all remaining questions. Okay, so students, that's all for the today. Next day again I will be explaining further. If I would not explain this in online classes, then I will be explaining in a same video and I will be sending, or in next video I will be explaining this. Till then just write all these things in your copy properly as it has been written. If you had bought a school copy, Okay, maintain as school has said. There should be margin, upper margin, side margin. Then after you will be making all the questions. After each questions there will be double lining. This should be followed, and try to attend online classes. Okay, thank you very much. You should follow all the nuns during the lockdown and make yourself better than earlier. Thank you.